Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make calendar in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone. And if we want to create calendar, we can use the calendar template on the Google Sheets. We can use the template that Google Sheets has provided for us, and the first thing we have to do is we can click on this plus button and you can click on choose template right here. But remember guys that you should have internet connection to access the template. If you don't have internet connection, so this option won't appear on your screen, and after the option appear on our screen, we just need to tap on it and there will be a couple of templates that we can use. And since we want to create calendar, we just need to click on this calendar. Okay, and just tap on it, and then the calendar will automatically create it on your Google Sheets. Okay, and just hold on guys because it's still loading. Okay, and this is the calendar. If you want to change the color, you can simply select the calendar. You can select all of the calendar like this. So you'll just select all of it, and you just need to click on this fill color. Then for example, I'm going to select this color. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can create calendar in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.